So we've gone desert camping in the UAE, but this time we wanted to try mountain camping. So we drove about an hour from Dubai towards Ras Al Khaimah into a place, an area called Shoka. And here we are. Here we are, hiking and then camping. About an hour away from home. Some bones on the ground. Buddy's over there, bub. Here's our little campsite. Todd's off to the store because he did not pack blankets or pillows or sleeping bags. All right, let's go. There's some good hiking paths in the area, so that's really nice for the kids to explore and wander safely. Then some relaxing, and thank goodness for blankets and pillows from the store. Good morning. How'd you guys sleep last night? Good. Yeah? Slept well? How'd you sleep last night, Daddy?
Wonderful. Late. Ha. Ha ha ha.
And of course, some last minute mountain climbing. Until next time.